Hi, welcome to episode 6. Is accountability part of your foundation? I'm often asked, what is accountability? My response is simple. Well, my actions and words are congruent. So, think about this. Is your organization foundation based on accountability? How many times have your workers said to you, I'll get it done today. I'll have it to you tomorrow. But what happens when it doesn't get done? Excuses follow. Something came to mind, or, oh, it slipped my mind. Rarely do they offer an apology for their actions. They just act as if nothing happened. Is this your business? It's not good. This type of behavior can quickly spread throughout your culture and can be very damaging. A culture where no one is responsible for his or her actions only creates chaos. So, it is important to create a company where everyone feels the importance of accountability to fellow workers, to the business, and to themselves. And as a leader, it is important that you demonstrate what it is and breathe the accountability throughout your business. Encourage everyone to speak up about delays and to reach out when mistakes are made. Teach them to seek the help when things go wrong. Let them know that bad news is expected at times. Ask everyone to be upfront and hold each other accountable. And if you lead by example, everyone will soon embrace this within him or herself. And that's how real change starts and your business grows. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.